My name is Herman Taylor, and this is a presentation on the importance of protecting the ozone layer. We must do more to protect the ozone, which is protecting us and could lead to the extinction of humans. The ozone layer is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It protects humans as well as the environment, aquatic ecosystems, and single cell organisms. Animals are also affected. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by French physicists Charles Fabry and Henri Buisson. They performed an experiment to test that UV radiation is absorbed by the ozone layer. The ozone layer is between 20 to 30 kilometers above Earth's surface. The thickness is between 3 to 5 millimeters, but it fluctuates depending on the season. The closer it is to Earth's surface, the more toxic the air is for us to breathe in. The ozone layer has the capability to absorb 97 to 99% of the harmful UV radiation the sun emits. Some UV rays are healthy, which create vitamin D within the body, and a lack of vitamin D can lead to cancer or mainly skin cancer. The ozone is an extraordinary kind of oxygen compound composed of three oxygen atoms instead of the normal two. This process converts radiation, UV radiation, into thermal energy, heating the stratosphere. These harmful UV rays can drive up the risk of deadly disorders such as skin cancer, cataracts, and damage the immune system. It can also cause sunburn, genetic damage, lung disease, and lead to chest pain. It is calculated that every 1% decrease in the ozone layer results in a 2 to 5% increase in the occurrence of skin cancer. To make the amount of ozone normally found in the upper atmosphere, you need about double the electricity we use in the US every single year. Scientific studies have substantiated that the cause of ozone layer depletion is human activity, specifically human-made chemicals. It is also made when emissions from vehicles, power, and chemical plants react with heat and sunlight. Store these chemicals properly and make sure they are sealed. Chlorine and bromine deplete the ozone layer at supersonic speeds by acting as a catalyst. They do this by stripping off an atom for the ozone molecule. These free molecules do not break down easily. It is said to it is said that one chlorine molecule is capable of breaking down millions of ozone molecules. A bromine atom is believed to be 40 times more destructive than a chlorine molecule. This is a graph breaking down the biggest destructors to the depletion of the ozone. These chlorofluorocarbons are transported to the stratosphere where they are broken down by UV rays releasing free chlorine. The Montreal Protocol Treaty was signed in 1973. The treaty helped in the reduction of the production of these harmful human-made chemicals. By 2001, scientists believed the ozone was improving due to this treaty. The Antarctic ozone hole is an area where ozone levels have dropped to as low as 33% of their pre-1975 values. It was first discovered in 1985. It is not an actual hole but referred to that due to the depletion levels being lower there than anywhere else. Ozone levels have dropped worldwide by an average of 4% since the late 1970s. It has depleted the most at the North and South poles due to the cold temperatures. We must take solutions to improve the conditions here and limit the ozone layer depletion. So one of those is we must stop using pesticides and harsh cleaning supplies that are destroying the ozone. Dispose of these chemicals properly if you do use them, and double check the ingredients to make sure what's in it because some of these products lead to cancer. Instead, we should be using alternative eco-friendly products that do not harm the environment and can be healthier to inhale while breathing. This can be practiced by being more conscious of how you use resources and dispose of them. Nitrous oxide is very harmful to the ozone, so its use needs to be limited also. It was not one of the compounds listed in the Montreal Protocol, but the impact is said to be comparable to CFCs. It's also a major safety hazard due to it being a compressed liquefied gas. Limit driving, especially on hot summer days. Vehicles emit greenhouse gases that eventually form smog, a catalyst in the depletion of the ozone. Also, make sure to keep your vehicle properly tuned. The Montreal Protocol helped tremendously, but that alone is not enough. We must take more steps in protecting the ozone from our harmful chemicals, and also we should try to participate in local utility energy conservation programs. Thank you.